फिल्म मेकर करण जौहर के बाद वेटरन एक्टर ऋषि कपूर भी अपनी लाइफ पर लिखी किताब लेकर आए हैं। किताब का नाम है खुल्लम खुल्ला अनसेंसर्ड ऋषि कपूर और इसे खुद ऋषि कपूर ने लिखा है। In this autobiography, one will get to read about his relationship with son Ranbir Kapoor. Very few are aware about the relationship that this father-son duo share. Is Rishi Kapoor a father who is extremely friendly with beta Ranbir, or do they maintain a line which they don't cross in their relationship? Ranbir has written a foreword for the book, sharing details about his relationship with his dad. I am closer to my mother. I feel that dad modeled his relationship with me on the one he shared with his own father. And it is true that I have never crossed a certain line with him. But there is no sense of loss or vacuum here. I do wish sometimes that I could be friendlier with him or even spend more time with him. Sometimes I wish I could just pick up the phone and ask him, "Dad, how are you doing?" But we do not have that. We do not have a phone relationship. When I get married and have children, I would want to change that dynamic with them. I don't want my relationship with my children to be as formal as the one I have with my father. I want to be friendlier, be more connected, spend more time with them than he did with me. I love my father dearly and have immense respect for him. I'm inspired by him and never want to let him down. I know he has only my best interest at heart. He also takes care of the financial side of my work, so we are more connected now. His confidence in me and my work makes me take pride in it. I persevere that much harder because of this. His belief and his encouragement are important to me. I do not have a take on his Twitter personality. All I can say is, so long as he is being honest and having fun, it's his prerogative. Social media is something very personal. Of course, he gets himself into a spot sometimes with his frank speak, but I know he has no agenda and no hidden motive. My father is a straight arrow. Well, Ranbir is very clear that he will never want a formal relationship with his kids like his father Rishi Kapoor has. Well, quite an interesting episode. Do you relate to Ranbir's feelings in some way? Post your comments below and stay tuned to Bollywood Now for your daily Bollywood buzz.